To assign a credential to a Parker's account, first navigate to the Parker's menu and search for the record that you wish to work with. Next, click the account link. You'll start by assigning a location to the account from the Location drop-down menu. Then click Add Location. Please note that this menu will collapse, but you can expand this menu by selecting the drop-down arrow. Make sure the location you wish to work with is selected, and then navigate to the Credentials tab. Here, you'll click Edit next to the credential profile. Start by selecting the space type or rate code from the drop-down menu. If this Parker receives a special or discounted rate, you can select this from the Rates drop-down menu. Otherwise, leave this field blank. Next, select the credential number from the drop-down menu. If this Parker receives a reserved space, you can select this from the Space drop-down menu. Otherwise, leave this field blank. The status of the credential will automatically default to active. Next, select the start and end date for the credential. The end date will automatically populate 25 years into the future, but you can modify this if necessary. Next, select the delivery method or way in which the Parker will obtain their credential. Please note that the following two fields are for Flash Parks integration settings only. In this field, set a specific number of parks with this function to control how many credentials from the current account are permitted to park at the same time. Key in a 1 to allocate one park to this credential. If this is a secondary credential, or should not be allowed an additional park, key in a 0 in this field. This function is only available when using the one-to-many Flash integration system. Check this box if you wish to allow passback. Checking this box will allow a Parker's credentials to override the anti-passback function. If you do not wish to allow passback, leave unchecked. Check this box to suspend a Parker's credentials. You can suspend a Parker's credentials at any time. Once information has been entered, click Save. Once you click the Save button, you will return to the Locations menu, and the grid will be updated to include the details that were just set up.